this is the one here that's knackered, as you can see. And you can see that because I'm moving as well as the engine. Yeah, the engine is absolutely moving around. That's not doing its job at all. So I'm going to pop that off now. So this is a 15mm socket, but it's actually only finger tight. This, that ain't good. That's only finger tight. I wonder if that means the engine's been out before. Alright, that's that out, I can go back in, that's 15mm. Okay. There you go, should be able to bring it out enough to. The engine moves a lot more than I'd like. Blimey. Alright, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that as well. So that's also cracked. Yeah, so that's knackered on that rubber too. Yeah, knackered on the back. Not so bad on the back. Compared to the new one. A lot better. Yeah, a lot better. That looks terrible. That rubber there absolutely had it. Yeah, same with that one. Absolutely had it. Again, I'll just get it started with my finger so I make sure I'm not cross-threading it or anything. Okay. Right, I need to be torqued up. I'll go and find out what the torque settings are. Torque it up in a bit. Get tightened to 100. I've already tightened them up now. That's one. That's two. And then you can see that now there's no movement. That's me really pulling out of it. There's no movement there at all. It's rock solid. Rock solid, so it's a big improvement.